Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change message sound of channel notification on VIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open VIP app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Then tap on channel notifications. Next, tap on sound. After that, select sound of your choice. Next, tap on arrow option. After that, tap on save. So, this is how you can change message sound of channel notification on VIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.